The world as we knew it has officially ended. Welcome to 2026, a time where artificial intelligence isn't just a buzzword anymore. It is the very engine that runs our lives. Have you ever stopped to realize that we are living in the most significant shift in human history? Just a few years ago, we were amazed by simple chatbots. Today, AI is building companies, creating movies, and solving problems that used to take humans decades to figure out. But here is the harsh reality. While some people are using these tools to build massive wealth and free up their time, others are still stuck using outdated methods, working harder but not smarter. If you feel like you're falling behind, don't worry. Today, on Brainy AI, we are pulling back the curtain on 5 revolutionary AI tools that will give you an unfair advantage in this new economy. These aren't just toys, they are superpowers. Make sure you stay until the very end because our number 1 pick is so advanced, it's literally rewriting the rules of human creativity. Let's dive in. Sora AI, Cinematic Revolution. First on our list is Sora by OpenAI. Now, we've seen text to video before, but in 2026, Sora has evolved into something truly breathtaking. Gone are the days when you needed a $50,000 camera, a lighting crew, and a professional editor to create a cinematic masterpiece. Sora allows you to generate highly complex scenes with multiple characters, specific types of motion, and accurate subject and background details. Imagine typing a prompt like, "A stylish woman walks down a Tokyo street glowing with warm neon signs and animated city signage." Within seconds, Sora generates a 60-second clip that looks like it was shot on a high-end Hollywood camera. For content creators using platforms like Pictory, Sora is the ultimate companion. It understands how light reflects off surfaces and how physical objects interact. This means you can create B-roll footage for your YouTube videos that is unique to you. You no longer have to rely on the same stock footage that everyone else is using. You are now the director, the cameraman, and the VFX artist, all from your laptop. Claude 3.5, the superior brain. While video is great, every great project needs a solid foundation of logic and research. That brings us to our second tool, Claude 3.5. While many people still default to ChatGPT, the power users of 2026 have shifted to Claude for its incredible, human-like, reasoning and massive context window. Claude 3.5 doesn't just predict the next word, it understands the intent behind your questions. Are you a student trying to summarize 5 different 400-page textbooks? Or a business owner trying to find a gap in a 50-page market research report? You can upload all those documents at once, and Claude will find the connections that a human eye would miss in 100 years. For us here at Brainy AI, Claude is our lead researcher. It helps us write scripts that don't sound like they were written by a machine. It understands nuance, tone, and humor. If you want to create content that actually resonates with people's emotions, Claude is the brain you need in your toolkit. It's not just an assistant, it's a genius-level partner. 11 Labs, Voice Evolution. Now, let's talk about the most important part of any video, the voice. We've all heard those annoying, robotic AI voices that make you want to click away instantly. But in 2026, 11 Labs has changed the game forever. This tool has reached a point where it is virtually impossible to distinguish between a human and the AI. 11 Labs uses deep learning models to capture the rhythm, the intonation, and the emotional weight of human speech. But the real magic lies in voice cloning. You can record a short sample of your own voice, and the AI will create a high-fidelity digital clone. This is a game changer for faceless channels. You can script a 20-minute video, hit a button, and have it narrated in your own voice, or any professional voice you choose, in a matter of minutes. This allows you to scale your content like never before. You can translate your videos into dozens of different languages while keeping the same voice and emotional impact. Imagine reaching a global audience in Germany, Japan, or Brazil without ever learning the language. 11 Labs makes the world smaller and your reach much bigger. Replit Agent, the no-code king. Our fourth tool is for the builders and the dreamers. It's called Replit Agent. In the past, if you had a great idea for an app or a website, you had two choices: spend years learning to code or spend thousands of dollars hiring someone else to do it. Both options were slow and expensive. In 2026, Replit Agent has democratized software creation. You simply talk to the agent like you would to a human developer. You describe your idea. Maybe it's a custom dashboard for your crypto portfolio or a unique social media platform for pet owners. The Replit Agent goes to work, writing the code, setting up the servers, and fixing any bugs in real time. It's like having an entire engineering department in your pocket. This tool is fueling a new wave of solo founders, people who are building million-dollar companies without a single employee. The barrier to entry in the tech world has been smashed to pieces. If you can think it, you can now build it. HeyGen, the ultimate presenter. Finally, we come to the tool that is redefining what it means to be on camera. This is HeyGen. For many of you watching, the biggest fear of starting a YouTube channel is showing your face. You might be shy, or maybe you don't have a professional studio setup. HeyGen solves this by providing hyper-realistic AI avatars. These aren't those cartoonish characters from 5 years ago. These avatars look, move, and react exactly like real human beings. You can choose a professional presenter, upload your script, and HeyGen will generate a video of that person speaking your words with perfect lip syncing and natural body language. In 2026, HeyGen has added custom avatars, where you can create a digital version of yourself. You can literally be in two places at once. While you're sleeping, your AI avatar can be filming your next video. It's the ultimate tool for productivity and professional-grade content. AI is not here to replace our humanity, it is here to amplify it. The tools we've shared today, Sora, Claude, 11 Labs, Replit, and HeyGen, are just the beginning. The future belongs to those who learn to dance with the machines. Which of these tools are you going to try first? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe to Brainy AI for more insights into the future. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.